Welcome to today's English shadowing practice. In this lesson, you will listen, repeat, and improve your English speaking skills naturally. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Let's begin. Going out.
Morning routine. Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day.
I woke up early this morning. I woke up early this morning. The weather feels cool and fresh. The weather feels cool and fresh. I opened my window and looked outside. I opened my window and looked outside. Birds were singing in the trees. Birds were singing in the trees. The streets were quiet and peaceful. The streets were quiet and peaceful. I went to the kitchen slowly. I went to the kitchen slowly. I made a cup of hot tea. I made a cup of hot tea. The smell of tea made me feel relaxed. The smell of tea made me feel relaxed. Then, I prepared a simple breakfast. Then, I prepared a simple breakfast. I ate bread, eggs, and fruit. I ate bread, eggs, and fruit. After breakfast, I cleaned my room. After breakfast, I cleaned my room. I organized my books and clothes carefully. I organized my books and clothes carefully. Later, I decided to go outside for a walk. The sun was shining softly in the sky. People were starting their busy day. Some children were going to school. Shopkeepers were opening their stores. Cars and motorcycles moved slowly along the road. I walked through a small park near my house. Green trees moved gently in the wind. A little boy was flying a colorful kite. An old man was reading a newspaper quietly. I sat on a bench for a few minutes. I enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere around me. Sometimes, simple moments bring the greatest happiness. Now repeat. I decided to go outside for a walk. Green trees moved gently in the wind. Simple moments bring the greatest happiness. In the afternoon, I practiced English speaking. Learning English takes time and patience. Every day, I try to learn new words. I listen carefully to English conversations. I repeat sentences again and again. At first, speaking English felt difficult. I was nervous and made many mistakes. But slowly, my confidence started to grow. Now, I enjoy speaking English every day. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. The more you practice, the better you become. Never give up on your dreams. Keep learning step by step. Repeat after me. Learning English takes time and patience. The more you practice, the better you become. In the evening, the sky turned orange and pink. The air became cooler and more comfortable. Families gathered together after a long day. Some people watched television. Others enjoyed dinner with their loved ones. I sat quietly and thought about my future. I want to become confident and successful. I know success does not come quickly. It comes through hard work and consistency. Before sleeping, I read a few pages of a book. Reading helps me improve my vocabulary and imagination. Then, I turned off the lights and went to bed peacefully. Repeat slowly. I want to become confident and successful. Success comes through hard work and consistency. Reading helps me improve my vocabulary. Thank you for practicing English with me today. Remember to listen carefully and repeat aloud. Shadowing practice will improve your pronunciation, listening, and fluency. Practice every day, even for a few minutes. Small progress every day creates big results. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning and keep smiling.